It has 2 production bases in Dezhou and Rizhou, China. It realizes intelligent and efficient mass production. Mixing is the first process in the production process. We use internal mainstream manufacturers' mixers to ensure tire quality. The preparation workshop includes 6 main processes to keep the production line running and ensure production efficiency. In the molding shop, as the molding machine runs orderly, tire blanks are produced in an endless stream. Finally, the molded tire blanks are vulcanized into tires. Kirin Tire has achieved high-level tire manufacturing. To achieve high-level tire manufacturing, we make every tire a high-quality product. From the control of each process to every detail, we are meticulous. We strictly check every step and stick to every strict inspection. We use thousands of tests to fulfill our promise of excellent quality. We lead the development with excellent performance. From paved, mixed roads to national roads, from mine roads to icy and snowy roads. Roads are no longer just about expectation and arrival, but to explore. Set off further. Modern warehouses make the storage and transportation of tires easier to better customer needs.